Hey everyone, Chopper here. I've been looking at some moon photos and I found something pretty weird, I think. I'm going to be looking at a series of photos from the same reel, and they're all consecutive photos. Now the first one is AS15-87-11695HR, and what I found is it's not that the command module is below the lander. Alright, I can deal with that they probably overshot it to come back in. Alright, it's the fact that the command module seems to be transparent, dunno, reflective, dunno. But all these things on the outside of the command module appear to be a reflection of the command service module computer panel. I don't know, these things certainly seem to be computer monitors. These things seem to be dials. These things seem to be buttons of things. It's weird. But let's have a look at the next photo. So this is AS15-87-11696HR, and let's have a look at the command module again. And it's a clearer photo of what appears to be the command module computer panel of some sort, and obviously reflected onto the outside of the command service module. But how can that be? Did we have transparent aluminum or aluminium, depending on which side of the hemisphere you come from, in the 1970s? I don't think so. But let's have a look at the next photo. So this is AS15-87-11697HR. Let's zoom on in, and here's the command module again, and it shows the reflection of something. Now to my understanding, there's no reflection from the bottom of the service module, because the service module was left on the lunar surface, wasn't it? So the surface module should only be the little capsule bit that's out on the top that blasted off, apparently. But let's have a look at the next photo. Here we are, AS15-87-11698HR. Let's zoom on in, and here we go again. There's all these lights and different colors on the bottom of the command service module. Now this obviously shows a reflection of some sort, so this should show a reflection of some sort. So you're telling me that the moon has a computer system on top of it. Bit weird. And the last photo. Let's zoom on in, and here we go again. There's the reflection. This should be a reflection then, and you're telling me it looks like some sort of computer bank. I don't think so. But this is Chopper, and you be the judge on these photos.